That man, Raymond Dokpesi, was, well, I don't know, one of the things like some of people I meet in my life look like angels, and they play angelic roles. They play angelic roles. Dokpesi was in Portugal. Poland, sorry, where he studied for PhD and made a PhD. He came back to Nigeria and went to Port Authority. This Tuku, Malanga Tuku was his boss. And you know, we borrowed office from Port Authority. I met Dokpesi. Asked a few questions, a few tough intellectual questions. He answered them. I said, what do you? I said, okay, go and write for me this so-called this topic. Go and write it for me. He rushed through. Next morning, he came with many pages. I looked at this. I said, you wrote this? He said, yes. I said, okay. Go to this side of my office. Go to the one side of my office. Sit down on that chair. I gave him papers. Write on so. No paper near him. No book near him. Write on this topic.
No reference.
No reference. Do you know, in less than 2 hours, okay? I said, now I will know. You may be scratching paper, thinking you are right. Let me read it. When I read it, I was so shocked. The man was brilliant in the extreme. Then he told me he has nothing doing, no job, nothing. I said, look, you know I will take you immediately. So, from now on, report to my office. I will tell your boss that I have commandeered you. So he joined me. Then I went to Bamanga Tuku and said, look, your man is doing nothing. He can make Nigeria something. He can help the country. He looked at me. I said, okay, take him. Gradually, the superstar became obvious. People saw him as superstar in the Ministry of Transport. So, Bamanga Tuku said, oh, is it the person? Is it the person I left to the... He wanted to become governor of Adamawa. Bamanga Tuku. Gongola, okay. So he told me, please, I want to take him back. I just said, look, you know you will be depleting me. You'll be depleting me. But it will be wrong of me to deny you your man. So they went, and of course, he must have made contributions. They won, and he became, I don't know what he became something in the government, but it didn't last. And that could happen. So when he turned 60, I was chairman. Was any of you there?
Yeah.
Okay. When he turned 60, he made me chairman of the birthday party. It has been a very good relationship.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.